After finding the perfect mixture of elegance, durability, and stunning designs, Verona Quartz Surfaces is pleased to present you Calacatta Bellezza Quartz, an innovative approach to transforming your home into your own desired paradise. Its uniform design makes it one of the strongest surfaces, lasting for entire generations to come. In addition, countertop maintenance has never been easier, making fast-paced kitchen cleaning a breeze. Its striking through-body veins, together with its unique patterns, give Calacatta Bellezza a marble look and feel, making it perfect for creating show-stopping quartz countertops and waterfall islands in kitchens, bathroom vanity tops, full stone backsplashes, showers and floors. If you want to learn more about Calacatta Bellezza or explore our collections, visit veronaquartz.com and get in touch. Or visit one of our showrooms or slab yards today.